Hey guys, Colby here and welcome back to Gizmo App. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your old TV to a smart TV using a Mi Box S or a Mi Box 4K. So the Xiaomi Mi Box S was released in 2018 as a global version and was later released some few weeks ago in India. This was rebranded as Xiaomi Mi Box 4K, so they are basically the same. Without wasting much time, let's go ahead with the unboxing, setup and a quick review of the Xiaomi Mi Box S or 4K. So out of the box, you have the Mi Box itself, a Bluetooth remote, a power adapter, an HDMI cable, and a user manual. On the outside, the Mi Box S has a minimal design with curved edges and an MI logo on the top of the streaming box. At the back, we have a 3.5mm audio port, an HDMI port, a USB port, and a power port. One of the cool things about the Mi Box 4K is the remote. Having a dedicated remote to control the streaming box is a huge advantage. And the remote is also basic and simple to use. At the top, we have a power button. Just below the power button is a dedicated button for summoning Google Assistant, which you can also use to trigger your smart home devices and control your TV. The remote also has a microphone for voice commands whenever you press on the Google Assistant button. The rest of the buttons are selection, home and back button, dedicated Netflix and live TV button, and lastly, directional buttons. So let's talk about the features. First of all, the streaming box supports 4K resolution with HDR quality at 60 FPS. Apart from supporting high quality resolution video, the Mi Box also has Dolby Audio Plus DTS for premium audio. And out of the box, we have Android TV version 9.0 built into it, which means you'll be able to take advantage of huge Android TV ecosystem of apps. With this, the Play Store supports over 3,000 plus Android apps, which is very cool. And in terms of gaming, the streaming box supports quite a number of games, which can be found in the Google Play Games app. Aside Android TV running on this streaming box, the Mi Box also has inbuilt 4K Chromecast support that allows you to mirror your device to your TV. With this, we refer to 1,000 plus Chromecast enabled apps on the Play Store, and also under these apps we have 200,000 TV shows and movies to cast from your phone to your Mi Box. And I think this is a very huge advantage for those who want to convert their old TV to a smart TV. In terms of hardware, we have a quad-core 64-bit Cortex A53 CPU. Also, it has a 2GB DDR3 RAM and 8GB eMMC storage. And then the Mi Box supports external storage like a pen drive or an external hard drive. In terms of connectivity, the media player has a dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. The remote mode of connection is Bluetooth, so you don't have to point directly to your streaming box. Setting up a Mi Box is quite simple if you have done an Android setup on your new phone before. All you have to do is power on your Mi Box after you've connected your HDMI ports to your TV. Then you follow the instructions from there. Right after the setup, you are being greeted with a clean Android UI with default apps like YouTube, Netflix, Google Play Store, and the others. First, the performance of the Mi Box is quite decent. I like the fact that this box comes with a clean OS and no bloatware. The processor is quite okay for streaming, and you can jump between apps without any issues. But if you want to game on the Mi Box, I wouldn't recommend this for gaming because the box isn't optimized for gaming. Gaming works well, but not the heavy ones. At the price of $60, there isn't much to complain about the Mi Box 4K. If you already have a smart TV with good streaming app support, then you probably don't need to get one. But for those on the edge looking to get the most out of their perfectly capable TVs, it's a no-brainer for them. With features such as the inbuilt Chromecast Ultra, over 3,000 plus apps on the Google Play Store, the streaming box is very essential for those who want to convert their old TVs to a smart TV. So that's a review of the Xiaomi Mi Box S. If you have any further questions about the Mi Box, please let me know right down in the comment section. And if this is your first time, I would love you to subscribe so that you can be notified of my new video and upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.